Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to reduce those eye wrinkles with face yoga. We're also going to do a little bit of facial massage and ending up with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. So we're also releasing all the toxins and waste from around the eye area here. Now, first things first, I like to start, as always, with clean skin, no product on the skin, and I am using a little bit of facial oil. If you have an eye cream, great. We just need something just for a little bit of slip and glide, so we're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. So first of all, I'm just applying the oil literally where the bone of the eye is. You don't need to go too far up because whatever you apply onto your eye is going to act like drawing blotting paper, if you like, and will draw within. So I like to press just where the bone is, side of the eyes, and then just above the forehead here, above the eyes, side of the ears, side of the neck, literally down to the collarbone here. So first of all, we're just going to do a little bit of gentle tapping to just get blood flow and circulation to the area. So I'm using my ring finger because we have a lighter touch and the skin around the eyes is very delicate. And I'm starting first of all between the eyes and then just very gently coming down and then working along that bone just under the eye here. And then a little bit further along towards the temples. And then just between the eyes and then just coming up above the eyebrows, again towards the temples. So let's just do our first exercise. I'm placing my hands, I've got them in a V shape, in between the eyes and at the side of the eye by almost those smile lines, crow's feet if you like. And we're just going to hold this position and we're just going to lift up with our eyes and then just gently flutter. So coming up and down with the eyelashes. And you don't want any tension within the rest of the face. So just fluttering up and down. And release. And then taking the fingers and just very gently gliding under the eyes towards the temples. And then above. And down again. And above. So let's do our second face yoga exercise. I'm placing my hands onto my forehead so I'm not creating any lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. Shoulders nice and relaxed, and we want to keep our head nice and straight and just very gently lift up with our eyes and then just almost flutter again the eyelashes, the eyes. And come down, and then again lifting up and flutter. And down. And one last time, getting blood flow and circulation to this area. And release. And then again, just using the fingers to just gently massage out under the eyes by the bone and above the eyebrows. And then with the fingers, I'm just very gently, almost working in a wave motion under the eyes. This really does help with any puffiness or hollow eyes as well. So just moving everything along. And then again, just very gently glide in and outwards motion. And then just very lightly glide down the side of the ears from the temples. What we're doing here is removing toxins and waste, and the waste is very close to the surface of the skin, so a very gentle light touch is only ever needed. And then you want to work at the back of the ear as well, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. So very gently gliding back of the ear, and then work down the big SCM muscle down to the side of the neck, down to the collarbone, moving everything along. and then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations if you like. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will actually release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this eye area to really help with those eye wrinkles by doing these face yoga massage exercises into the body, ready for elimination. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and also a thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. Tell me where you're from and if there's anything else you'd like me to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.